Hello guys, you're welcome to today's lesson. Our topic for today is solubility curve. That means we can represent the solubility of a salt on a graph. A solubility curve is a graphical representation of the relationship between a salt, solubility of a salt, that is usually called the solute, and the temperature of the solvent, which is usually water. On the x-axis, we have the temperature in degrees Celsius, while on the y-axis, we have solubility measured in grams per 100 grams of water or 100 grams of H2O. When a salt dissolves in water, we usually produce three different types of solution. We can have a saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and supersaturated solution. On this curve, the point which is saturated is usually where the water holds more or maximum amount possible of the salt. And the points we note, only any points below the curve represent an unsaturated solution. At this point, more solutes could still be dissolving at that temperature. Supersaturated solution, if all the solute is actually dissolved. This is usually achieved by heating a solution and then cooling it very carefully. The important concept we need to know here is that unsaturated solution, points below the curve, more solutes can still dissolve. For a saturated solution, is a point on the curve where maximum solute has dissolved. For the supersaturated point, above the curve, unstable, excess solute may recrystallize out. Comparison. Most soluble at high temperature is potassium nitrate, potassium chloride, lead 2 triazonitrate 5. These are those salts formed by electrovalent bond. We call them ionic salts. Ionic salts usually dissolve as their solubility increases as the temperature also increases. Observation from the above graph: step curve, potassium nitrate, lead nitrate, potassium chloride. The solubility of potassium nitrate increases dramatically as the temperature rises. This is usually common. I've said that it's common with ionic salt. The flat curve, especially for sodium chloride, the solubility is almost constant. Temperature has little or no effect on the solubility of sodium chloride. Down curve, you can see those one for cerium 3 sulfate. Down curve, it shows that this salt dissolve at a very low temperature. The solubility actually decreases as the temperature increases. This behavior is also typical to many gases. Gases dissolve in water, but as the temperature of the water increases, their solubility decreases because the gas molecule gain energy and tends to escape from the surface of the liquid. Follow me for more chemistry tips. In our next class, we'll be talking about real-life application of solubility curve. See you in the next class. Follow, share, comment, like. Thank you. Bye for now.